We are asked to find the value of R combination 5, given that 18 combination R is equal to 18 combination R plus 2. In order to solve this question, let's recall that the combination of n objects taking R at a time is equal to what? N factorial over n minus R factorial multiplied by R factorial again. So applying that to this expression, the left-hand side, we're going to have 18 factorial over 18 minus R factorial multiplied again by R factorial. On the right-hand side, we're going to have 18 factorial over 18 minus R plus 2 factorial. This again is multiplying R plus 2 factorial. Our next step here will be to cross multiply. Let's multiply this side first. Bringing that down, we're going to have 18 factorial multiplied by, if you look at this bracket, we're having 18 minus 2 there. That will give us 16. Then minus the R factorial. And then multiplied again by the R plus 2 factorial. Equal to, for this other side, we'll bring down the 18 factorial. That is multiplying 18 minus R factorial. And then multiplied by the R factorial there. So this is what we're going to obtain if we cross multiply. Looking at the expression obtained, we can see that this 18 factorial cancels out. The 18 factorial there cancels out. Then for the others left, we're going to do some expansions there. This R plus 2 factorial is connected with this R factorial. So we're going to expand one of the two, which is the higher one. The higher one is R plus 2 factorial. That this 16 minus R factorial is related to this 18 minus R factorial. We would also have to expand one of them. The one we're going to expand is the higher one. The higher one is 18 minus R factorial. But then let's begin the expansions one by one. Let's expand this first. So I'll bring down the 16 minus R factorial. Now if you expand R plus 2 factorial, that will be what? R plus 2 multiplied by what? R plus 1. You know, 1 is subtracted each time. Multiplied again by what? R, after 1 has been subtracted from there. But let's end the expansion here by putting the R factorial here, because the continuation of that will cancel out this R factorial there. So I bring down the 18 minus R factorial, then I bring down this R factorial. So this will now cancel this. So we did not continue this so that it will cancel out that. Now in the next step, let's deal with the expansion of this. This is higher than this. Okay? So I'll bring down the 16 minus R factorial multiplied by R plus 2 multiplied by R plus 1 equal to, so now I'll expand this 18 minus R factorial. I have told you the reason for that. So that will be 18 minus R multiplied by, we are subtracting 1, 17 minus R. We are subtracting 1 again. If we subtract 1, we're going to have 16 minus R. Mind you, we do not want to continue the expansion there, so we have to put the factorial sign down here. The reason is because the continuation of this cancels the continuation of this. Their expansions cancels out. So we're going to end that there. So bringing down the expressions we have left, we have R plus 2 multiplied by R plus 1 equals to 18 minus R. This is multiplying 17 minus R. And then expanding the bracket. R times R is R squared. R times 1 is R. 2 times R is 2R. 2 times 1 there is 2. For the right hand side, 18 multiplied by 17 is 306. minus 18r minus 17r plus r squared. This is what we're going to get if we expand. These two are like terms, so they become 3r plus 2 equals, these two are also like terms, so by the right hand side we have 306 minus 35r plus r squared. The r square here cancels out the r square there. Now let's collect like terms. 3r, if this 35 crosses to the other side, that is plus 35r equals 306. When the 2 crosses to the other side, that is minus 2. So in the next step, we're going to have 38r here equals 304. And then dividing both sides by 38 will give us our r as equal to 8. So the value for r is equal to 8. If you go on to substitute it into the original expression where they said 18 combination r has to be the same as 18 combination r plus 2, you will get the same answer, because 18, we're going to have 18 combination 8 by the left hand side. On the right hand side, we're going to have 18 combination 8 plus 2, that is 10. So 18 combination 10. 18 combination 8 is the same as 18 combination 10. You work that out, that is what you get. Now recall that we're asked to find the value of r combination 5. We have to find the value of r combination 5. So that will now be 8 combination 5. 8 combination 5 is 8 factorial over 8 minus 5 factorial, and then multiplied again by 5 factorial. So this will be 8 factorial over the 8 minus 5 is 3 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. If you expand 8 factorial there, that is 8 times 7 times 6 times, let's end the expansion here, 5 factorial, so that it cancels this 5 factorial down. Mind you, we have 3 factorial down there, that is 3 times 2 times 1. All of this cancels this 6. So if we multiply what is left, we're going to have 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. So the final answer to the question is 56. Thanks for viewing. For more exciting videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel.